Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your friend Hamid from It's Made Easy, and yes, we make it easy for you. Hope you're doing great today. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks in easy steps. Let's start our tutorial now. Hey guys, and here we have the 2D geometry of the 3D part model that we are going to draw today in SolidWorks 2015, and we are going to complete this whole part model in 7 steps today. And the first steps will be the extrude of the L section that we have here in the right plane, and we are going to extrude with respect to the mid plane to an overall length of 126 mm. And the second step will be followed by the extrude of the concentric circles that we have here. And the third one, or we will be also giving the fillet of R25 on the both sides. And the next step will be the rib that we have here. Today we are just giving a new feature called rib that we'll be using to do this part, and we will be continuing with the hole at the both sides, and then extrude the rectangular section that we have here and extrude cut of this section that we have here. Okay, let's start our SolidWorks 2015 with a new part model. Since it is in right plane, I'm just taking the right plane as normal, and I'm just taking this edge, the corner, the end point as the normal, and from there I'm just going to draw an L section. And after completing this, I will be giving the dimensions as required, and the overall length is given as 90, and the width is they have given as 13 mm, so it's supposed to be 90. And this length they have given as 76, and the width they have given as 13 mm, and again the same width they have given as 13 mm. And yes, we are done with the geometry now. Just giving the extrude. Don't forget to give the mid plane section since it is symmetric about the right plane now. And the overall length they have given us 126. We are giving 126 as given. And yes, we are done with the first part, and the second part we will be going with the fillet section that we have here. So just giving the fillet option, this edge and this edge, changing from 10 to 25. Yeah, and we'll be continuing with the concentric circle extrude that we have here, which is made at 38 mm from this plane, I mean the edge that we have here. So I'm just drawing a line from the midpoint of the line towards upward to a length of 38 mm, and from there I'm just drawing two concentric circles of radius 16 and diameter 15. Radius 16 in the sense it's supposed to be 32, and the outer circle it's supposed to be 50. Yes, we are done with the geometry now. Just giving extrude to a length of 38 mm as mentioned there. Yep. And yes, we are done with the extrude part of here, and we are just continuing with the rib part that we are having here. I'm just taking the right plane as normal, and we are going to just giving a line that connects the edge of that we have at the bottom of the concentric circle and the lower part. And yes, I'm giving the rib section. Make sure the direction that we have here is towards the direction that we need, which is towards the downward direction, and it's supposed to be this one, because since it is symmetrical now, it's supposed to be on the both side. And the overall width they have given us 10 mm. Yeah, it's supposed to be, yeah, it's made as we required. And the next step will be the extrude cut part of the whole section that we have here. It is made at from this point. If we draw as a rectangle of 19 cross 25, we'll be reaching the center point here. So I'm just drawing a corner rectangle now from this end to an height of 25 and to a width of 19 mm, and again from here to an height of 25 mm and cross 19 mm, and just drawing two the two circles of diameter 14 mm on both the sides. 1 4 1 4, and just trimming off the unwanted parts. Yeah, we are done with the geometry now. Just giving the extrude cut. Since it's made until the outer side, it's okay. Just we will give the tick mark. And the next step will be having an extrude of the rectangular shape that we have here to a length of 38 mm from that edge. So what am I going to do is, either we can draw that rectangular shape from here to a 38 mm, or you can just draw that section from this plane and just like subtracting 13 from 38. I'm just doing the second method now. I'm just taking this plane as normal. So the overall length is 10 plus 10 plus 18, so it's supposed to be 38. So if you are drawing from the midsection, it's supposed to be 19 on either of the side. And I'm just connecting the outer circle now, and I'm drawing the circle to make the cross section, completing the either half of the closed section. With respect to the center, I'm just giving the mirror as usual, trimming off the unwanted section. Now we have the closed contour now, giving the extrude option to a length of 38 minus 15, which is 25. Yeah, and the final part is just to extrude cut the section that we have here, which is 18 cross 10. So again the same will be repeated. Starting from here, it's supposed to be 10 cross 9, again 10 cross 9, trimming of the midsection, extrude cut up to the surface, and here. Hope we have completed every part that we have for today, and yes, we are done. Hope you all enjoyed this video, this tutorial. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Please do subscribe to our channel if not given. See you in next session. Bye.